I've never played this game before, so I don't know what I'm in for. Well, I guess on my end, it just looks kind of cringe. Oh! This is offset. Ha ha ha. Don't know what that's doing there. Haha, you guys thought that you could get through a video without the plugs. You cannot escape the plugs. Discord, Twitch, link under video. That's pretty much it. Okay, bye. Almost. Ah, ring. Haha, bonk. Huh. What do you know? Propane tanks explode when thrown. Let's go! How do I do this? I think I missed. What Minecraft mod is this? The one with lots of shaders and explosives. Wapacha! Wapa! The construction vehicles, but by hand. Bam! Wah! Wapasha! Wah! Actually, let's be strategic about this. Yes. What is supporting the most weight on the house? Alright, based on my calculations, I think that the perfect point to place my explosives is here. Ow. Ooh, this one's faster. I like it. Road roller. Hold on, I'm gonna turn down my microphone for this part. No, to self, never let Dano in any of my heavy machinery. No, I'm very good at operating heavy machinery, if you catch my drift. Is this open? Doesn't matter. I just have to make sure not to start any fires. We didn't start the fire. I know, breaks doors instead of opening them. Yes, isn't that how you're supposed to be a top? Like I'm trying to figure that part out. Like I've been reading some articles on how to be a top, and I just kind of got the gist of it that I need to be forceful. So I break doors now. Let's go! Yeah! Spray can to map an efficient route. Gamer. Okay. Spray can. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Oh. Haha, haha. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. I'm literally going to draw a line all the way through my route. I am a dumb dog. I must leave myself plenty of breadcrumbs. And so I drop down right around here. See that? Okay. That is my landing spot. Dog. He's peeing everywhere. Shut up! Out of pocket! Go away! Because it's a gaming PC. It's not... I hate you so much. So I'll go back down the stairs, exit through this doorway, go around the canal, through the canal, along the edge of the canal, into the room, up the stairs, around the corner, around another corner, take the thing. Okay, so once I have done that, dog landing spot. Let's go! Dog landing spot! Wow! Look at this, I'm gaming. Oh, window, let me through. Oh boy. That is not, I have strayed from the path. I don't know what I'm doing. Ha 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 ha! Let's go! Hurry! Run faster! Oh, clipping through the walls and everything. Guys, I don't know what I would do without this line. Look at how gaming I am. Wait, can I get to the car in time? Wait. Wait, no, 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 I'm so close. No, 4, 3, 2, I'm gonna make it. I made it. I made it. Oh my God, that was so close. What is this? Banana. $600. Whoa! Wait, I have to make it so no one knows that it. I didn't take the banana. Look. That looks like a pretty good banana. No one will know it's gone. So this is what I'm getting rid of here. I'm the good boy doing many bad things. Car, can I drive you? I can drive this car? Why is it so shaky? Whoa. Deja vu, just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to. Well, that's a problem. It is drifting so much. Rah! Yeah! Woohoo! Nyom, 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 nyom. Get under the limit, mate. Come on, mate. Ah! Under the limit, mate. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Come on. Why am I on the roof? Oh. Haha. Handyman. Oh my gosh, I'm falling! Honk. Honk. Come on. Honk. Wait, how am I gonna get back on the... Oh no. Wait, how am I gonna get back on the... Let's go! I am so gamer! Who needs mirrors? Yeah, the only direction I am looking is forward. Oh, I'm sorry, little friend. All right, time to break out the line again. Bam. Wait, racetrack? Wait. Let's go! Woohoo! Oh yeah, baby! What's my time? Now that I have jumped off of this ledge, I go up to the car. This one. I back up. This way. Nyom. Into the water. That should be good. Just got home from work. Hi, Hyperdefined. How you going? How you going? Oh my god. That's not what I meant to press. Am I back? I'm fine? Okay. So that jump scare, I had my knees against my desk. And my desk is not very heavy. And my monitor fell off of my desk. But it is fine. Everything's... I'm removing that sound. I am removing the jump scare sound. I am not tolerating it. I'm removing that fucking sound effect. Next person that plays it gets banned. Instantly, I'll remove it after stream. He. Line, go in here. Break window. What did the lines do? Just a way to mark a path? Yeah, so I'm dumb as shit, and I need to remind myself where I'm going constantly. This is fine. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I may have to do the part of the plan where I back the truck up to the water. So can I just back it into the water without breaking the cable? Just like lift up this thing. Wait, am I gamer moment here? Oh my god. Oh, dog is being criminal. I am being devious. Look at this devious lick we have just pulled. Okay, so at my old high school, they posted signs on the school bathrooms saying these bathrooms are closed, and if you know anyone who's participated in the Devious Licks challenge, please report them to the office. Oh, too much momentum. Yeah. Getaway car. Woo! Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Easy. Wait. I have a genius plan forming. Okay, there's one. Oh, it made a heart. Sort of. Oh? Someone. Hi, someone. Why are you someone? Ah! Oh, I didn't mean to press the air horn. Look, guys, look at the streaming PC goal. Look at how close. Oh, and I can't even thank them because they're just someone. Okay, someone. Okay, someone. What do you want? Is it bussy you're looking for? You have to name your terms. I drive boat. Dano, don't faint. I'm alright. It's okay. I'm chilling. I'm doing good. Rather chillin', I think. Yeah. So it's connected to the boat. Okay. Hey guys, this is my master plan. That didn't work. So we're in a bit of a pickle. Wait, how do I get out? How do I get out? Oh no, 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 no! Aha! I thought I was Poggies, but I am cringe. Let's go. Yeah, forget the fucking truck. Get that out. Get the shit out of here. Dano, it isn't that hard to do, actually. I think that you are a poopy head. Dano, can we get your hot take on coffee? I love coffee. Like I like my men. Light as day or dark as night, and I have said that before, and I will say it again. It's like a poem. I love coffee. Can it hang out the window? Can it hang out the window? Let's see. Let's see. This will be the last one that I pick up. We have reached peak efficiency. Woo! And now I swim. Literally on my newest, I think it was the balloons video, not a single woman watched the balloons video out of like 2,000 views. When in doubt, blowtorch. Between pizza and burger. Fuck, I don't know. Cause okay, when I order stuff from restaurants, I get burger, obviously, right? But if I'm eating with the homies, I want the pizza, right? What in the world is happening? Hold on. Okay, we're ready. Oh, it's so slow now. It's so slow. Oh. No! Wait! No! Do you think I'll still make it? Oh, come on. Let me... Okay. I think I have time. Shoot. I looked over at chat and crashed into the wall. Gaming! Yeah, we did it. Easy peasy. See? I think that'll be my last one of those for tonight. Oh!
Thanks for the terrific content.
Do I need to pull out the... I think I'll pull out the record scratch again. What the f... Bruh! Oh, you guys have no idea how much this means to me. Oh, donate so we can get the PC. Ha! I will end the stream before you can do it. What? Whoa! We did it! And for you, Lil Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster. So, yeah. Bye.